What you doing?
Daddy, I got that rock in.
You petting on Thor?
Daddy.
Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. What you doing? What you doing? Hey, buddy. He's a good boy. Yes. You want to shake? Oh, babe. Huh?
There's one thing right here.
What'd you do?
No, right here.
Well, you put it in the way. We'll go over here and look at Mommy's garden, see how it's coming along. You don't want to come look? Won't be too much longer. Well, we got the strawberry going over here. Strawberry. Let's go check out the girls. You better slow down. Hey, sweet girls. Hey, girls. That's Golly. These are our pretty ladies. Let's see if they've got anything for us today. Alright, nothing. They like this one over here. Oh, got somebody in here. Alright, we won't film you. We'll leave you alone. Hey, boys. Hi, Teddy. There he is. Hey, Teddy Graham. So Teddy Graham got his name because when we got him, he looked just like a little Teddy Graham cracker. And he is all about kisses. Aren't you? Hey, buddy. You're so sweet. There's Loki. Loki's the shy one. He only wants to be around you on his terms. Hey, good boy. Hey, buddy. Oh, here comes the alpha goat. This is Captain. Yes, hello. The only one with the beard. Hey, bud. Oh, you want to try to chew on that microphone? Yes. What you doing? What you doing? Come over here. See if we can get that. You goats are hilarious. Best dogs we've ever had. Hey, sweetie. There's our sick chicken. She still hangs out in here, although we kind of let her go wherever she wants to go. What do you think, Hopi?
Yes.
You want to go in and play with the chickens?
This is the time it's my grass and this bumbo. Let's see the goats to picture.
You want to send the goats to the picture?
Yeah.
Alright. You want to go in and play with the goats? Come on. Go on.
Can I take this in here?
Yeah, you can take it in there.
I don't want to wash out the... I don't want this.
Oh. There goes Loki. He's going to go hide in the house. He's a little shy. Where you going, bud?
What's those things like that?
Those are the bees we caught. Oh, you're going to have the goats curious about your toy. Come on, Teddy. I'm gonna go show him the toys. Oh, here comes Teddy. He's gonna come over and give you kisses. Aren't you, Teddy? Aren't you? Hey, bud. Aren't you? Hey, bud. Our goats are... Oh, this one's got a tick. Oh, hey, buddy. You love the goats, don't you?
Yeah.
You guys are fat. Come up here, Captain. Come here, bud. So we have 3 Nigerian dwarf goats. We've got Teddy here, Captain, Loki. We've had some bad luck with our goats. That's why we only have 3. We've probably had 9 or 10 over the past several years, but due to sickness and some other injuries.
You just have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yoki's gone. Wheelie's gone.
Wheelie's gone. Yeah. Wheelie was our last one. He got sick and we had to put him down. So we've had so much bad luck.
Last time he had new goats.
I know. So Captain likes to ram his headbutt and his horns. He gets pretty aggressive sometimes. But we had such bad luck and it broke our hearts that we kept losing them. Let me over here. And we said no more goats. We're done with the goats.
You just don't use these ones.
Yeah.
So
these 3 are great and we're happy with these 3. I wish we had more, but it's too heartbreaking when you lose them because these guys are so sweet.
Yeah.
So sweet.
I don't want to use Teddy.
I don't want to lose them either, baby.
Yeah, and Teddy's my best friend.
Teddy's your best friend?
Yeah, I Teddy.
What about Captain?
Yeah.
Yeah, you kind of like Captain? Here, let's
I like a yada goat.
Hey, buddy.
I like a yada goat. I like Wheelie the best.
You like Wheelie?
Teddy doesn't
Come on, come up here. Alright, guys. You want to show them around? Hey, Captain. Hey, bud. Capitan. Hey, bud. What you doing? What you doing? Hey. Ow, Teddy. You having fun?
Yes.
Oh. Well, I was going to film up here. I was going to put the camera up here, but Teddy, he's coming after the camera. So we're going to have to find a different spot. You're crazy.
What about the house?
What about the house?
The house.
Let me just flip the camera around. Hey, bud. So the question we get a lot is why the move? Why did you leave the city? Why did you leave the nice house in a new construction neighborhood and come all the way out in the middle of nowhere? I mean, it's for this. It's for these guys, for the chickens, the animals, and most importantly, for that right there. That she gets to grow up, our kids get to grow up on land, they get to grow up on a farm, they get to grow up with animals, they can come outside and play whenever they want to. We don't have to worry about where they're at and what they're doing. And it's just so quiet and peaceful out here that I wouldn't trade it for anything. Yeah, we got to drive further to get the stuff. I've got a decent commute to work, but it's all worth it. All worth it for this. You're my goat lady, aren't you?
Yeah.
Drew's the chicken lady, but you're my goat lady.
Yes. Marty's my donkey lady.
Oh, yeah. You want to go see the donkeys?
I can see them.
You just see them?
Yeah, I can. Drew's here.
Oh, okay. Well, Daddy's not seen them today.
Treats.
You want to go give them some more treats?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go. Let's go see the donkeys.
Yeah. I take a shortcut.
We're going to take a shortcut?
Yeah,
All
right here.
We're going to go down here and see the goats. Not the goats. We just left the goats. We're going to go see the donkeys. How about that?
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite donkey?
Dobby's new.
Dobby is new.
Yeah, Dobby the best. And Daggy's so sweet. I like Daggy the best.
You like Jackie?
Yeah, Daggy's so sweet.
He is very sweet, isn't he?
Yeah, and Daggy say I want to pet on you earlier.
Alright, well, let's go down here and see them. I bet they'll take some more treats. What do you think?
Good. I just don't want Thor to be in there.
You don't want him? Well, he's right here. He goes wherever we go.
Yeah, I just don't like Thor to be in the...
Oh, because he messes with the donkeys, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I really like to Dobby's butt and it kicked me so much.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. You get kicked by a donkey. That's a bad day. Alright, let's go in here and check them out. Hi, boys. Let me go put this camera down so they don't freak out.
Hi, boys. I don't want them to get me.
Okay, will you come over here and sit on? Hi, Jackie Poo. Hi, Dobby. Come here. Come here. Come on, boys. Hi. Now, Thor, you get them all riled up. Come here, boys. Come here, Dobby. Hey, Jack. There he comes. Come here. Come here, Jackie Poo. Hey, buddy. Come here. You know you want to. Hi, baby. You be careful. Hey, Jack. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Come here, Jack. Come here, buddy. You're dirty. Where you going, Dobby? Come here, Dobby.
Hey, Daddy, you don't have a phone.
Huh?
You don't have a phone.
Yeah, we do.
Is it?
You're on it.
Is it?
Oh, hello.
Where's the phone?
Hey, Jack. You being nosy? Come here.
Where's the phone?
Come here, Jackie Poo.
Where's the phone?
You're on the farm.
Huh?
You're on the farm.
Where is it?
You trying to check out that camera? Not sure about it, huh? Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, buddy. Love you. Come here. Miniature donkey hugs. They're the best hugs. Hey, buddy. Oh, come here. You're filthy. You boys want some treats? Want to give them some treats? Yeah, let's go along here so you don't get kicked. Go over here to the table. Alright. Scoot over here. Can you see? Alright. You give one to Dobby. Alright. You see if we got Dobby on there?
I want to do the rest of them.
Okay. Oh, here, give him the big piece. Bring it back.
Well,
Oh, you dropped it. You'll get it. All right, That way, Jack. Now hold it in your hand like that. There you go.
Yeah.
Boy. They don't pass up treats, do they?
I'm gonna eat.
You might eat the leaf. Probably not after that treat, though. It's not going to be anywhere near as good. Hey, buddy.
Hey, Daddy, did you get Jackie a mushroom? Jackie didn't like it. If you get Dobby and Jackie a mushroom, Jackie liked them.
He ate a mushroom?
Yeah,
Wow.
one mushroom.
Here, Dobby.
And Dobby don't like them.
Dobby don't like them?
No, that's Jackie. And Jackie's so sweet.
Jackie is very sweet. Hi, Dobby. Hi, Jack.
I like Jackie.
Hey, baby.
Bessie. Jackie's so sweet.
Oh, Thor's getting ready to get kicked. You better watch out, buddy. Whoop. Caught that on camera. Thor, go away, buddy. Jack's like, these dummies. They just leave each other alone, everybody be happy, wouldn't they? You okay, Thor? You got one right in the chops.
Yeah.
You alright?
Thor likes to be kicked.
Well, he doesn't learn. He gets kicked all the time because he won't leave Dobby alone. Poor Jack. He just wants to chill out and be a good boy, don't you? Yes. He's a good boy.
Sometimes don't keep by themselves.
Buddy.
Sometimes don't keep by themselves. Right?
Oh. Hello.
Buddy.
Hello. Trying to figure this out, aren't you? Don't know about this, Dad.
I just
Don't know about this. I don't have any more treats. Alright, you give up? You getting mad?
Even little tiny grass.
Hmm?
Even little tiny grass.
You like living here on the farm?
Yes.
You like all the animals?
Yes.
What's your favorite animal?
To everybody.
Oh, look what Daddy found. Look. Look, crawling on the table. Look, right here. You see it? It's just a ladybug. Don't squish it. Don't squish it.
No, I just want to.
Put your finger down there. See if it'll crawl on you. Here, don't hurt it.
No, I don't want to.
You want Daddy to pick it up?
Oh. Oh.
Oh, you got it. It's not gonna hurt. It's not gonna. You're gonna scare it away. That's okay. No, now don't hurt it. Don't squish
I
it.
want to swish it.
No, not a ladybug. Are you crazy?
I don't like ladybugs.
Oh, it flew away. It's gone.
Oh.
You scared it away.
I just don't like it. It doesn't stare in my butt.
They scare your butt?
Yes.
Oh. You ever feel like you're being watched?
You're just saying a butterfly and I see it. And
Yeah.
I got it.
You got a butterfly?
In my
Hey,
in my
buddy.
teeth.
Hey, buddy.
In my teeth.
On your cheek?
Yeah. And I got it out. And I love it. And I love
Hey,
it.
buddy. You're sweet. You're a sweet boy.
I used to like ladybugs. I used to like ladybugs. I used to like butterflies.
You like butterflies?
Yes. Yes.
All right, well, what do you want to do next?
Ride the tractor again?
Ride the tractor again?
Yes.
Man,
Yeah, I like it.
you like it?
I know. First, I want to go on the ride.
Well, how about we go for a walk? You want to go for a walk?
Yes.
All right, let's go for a walk.
On your neck.
All right, so we're gonna go for a walk. It's a beautiful day today, finally. We had like 2 straight weeks of rain. but happy to have a good day.
No. Look at that butterfly and that bird.
You see a bird?
Yeah, a red bird.
So if you're contemplating the move, if you've ever thought about getting away from it all, taking it at a slower pace, whether it's a full-blown functioning farm or just a tiny little plot of land, I can't recommend it enough. The peace of mind that comes with sometimes just coming out here for a walk makes everything worth it.
Flower.
Getting stalked by miniature donkeys, that's always fun too.
Flower. Hay.
Yeah, that's a lot of hay. They make a big mess, don't they?
Yes.
Yeah, you can tell the donkeys make a huge mess. What you guys doing? You guys gonna go with us?
Yes. You need to stay here.
You gonna go with us, Jack?
No, I need to stay here.
Yeah. Alright, let's go up here for a walk.
Yes. You have to open that gate.
Daddy will open it. Let's make sure they don't get out. Yep, you're an escape artist. See that? That's the only reason you're following this.
Oh my, a big tree up there.
Is that a big tree up there?
Yeah, I see a lot of big trees.
A lot of big trees.
Yes.
I wouldn't trade this for anything. Nothing in the world.
Another, I can see that order.
That's a cardinal.
Donkeys.
The red bird?
Yeah.
That's a cardinal.
I see it in the red donkeys.
Yeah.
They're coming back here. But it's standing on our tree and waving.
Yeah. Oh. Probably can't see it. Was that 3 or 4 deer?
4 deer.
Deer are everywhere out here.
No, 20 deer.
20?
Yeah.
That's your favorite number, isn't it?
No, 0 deer.
0 deers?
Yeah, the yacht. 0 deer to take a yacht.
You like to go for walks, don't you?
Yeah.
But like I was saying, if you're ever thinking about making the jump, making the move, do it.
I like to take walks in your neck.
If you have to drive further, if you have to do whatever,
Daddy.
maybe downsize your house. What, baby?
I like to go to walk in your neck.
You like riding on Daddy's neck?
Yeah.
It won't be too much longer. You won't want to do that anymore.
Yeah.
But it's so nice to have all this area to do whatever we want, grow our own food, have a nice garden, hunt during hunting season, and have all these animals. It's just, I don't know. I guess it's one of those things you look back on and you're like, man, I wish I would have done this a long time ago. I mean, I grew up, my grandparents had, my grandparents had a 50-acre farm with cattle and corn and tobacco and just all kinds of land to play and learn and work. It was a lot of hard work. But I wouldn't trade that for city living or being in a neighborhood where you're right on top of your neighbor. No thanks. We did that. It's definitely not a place that I want to raise my kids. It's a different world we live in now than when we grew up. So I don't know, if you have the luxury, if you have the ability, like I was saying earlier, even if you have to downsize your house, you know, less square footage, fewer bells and whistles to get some land, it's so worth it. Oh, here's that branch you tried to grab with the when we were on the tractor. Don't hit your head. No.
I held it.
Oh, you get it?
I just got it.
Yeah.
It's so big.
Oh. It's pretty out today, isn't it?
Like that one yours.
Oh, something fell on us. Here comes the beast. Here he comes.
Oh, it's Thor.
Oh, it's Thor. Okay. Just making sure. Hey, bud. There he is.
It's not the beast, it's just Thor.
We need to build a fire again. We've not had a fire in a while.
Yeah. I want to take a fire today. I want a fire today.
You do?
Yeah.
It's a little warm right now. Maybe tonight.
Yeah, today night.
You helped me build this fire pit, didn't you?
Yeah.
You helped me dig it out, and put the rocks.
A long time ago.
Yeah, we have lots of fun out here.
A long time ago. Yeah, I get it in the dinosaur.
Yeah. All right, which way you want to go?
I'm gonna go that way.
This way or this way?
Oh, that way.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And you can see the goat.
You want to go see the goats again?
Yeah.
All right.
Halfway we go that way.
Oh, I hear the donkeys.
Again.
It's very peaceful. You slow down a little bit. You okay?
Mm-hmm. Just my legs are hurting.
Oh, I'm sorry.
In your neck. I gotta get this one. I did. Let me get that one. Too far away.
Too far away?
That one's too big. Yeah, I got this.
If you guys have any questions
I'm gonna get that one.
about small farms, equipment, any videos you'd like to see, any questions that you might have,
I did it.
homesteading,
That one.
awesome, gardens, maintenance, repair, how-tos, DIY, any of that stuff, leave a comment below. I'm happy to make it. It helps me come up with ideas, and if it's something I don't know how to do, I'm always willing to learn, and we'll make a video and we'll learn together. We're just trying to have some fun with this, trying to document and make some memories. The girls seem to love it, so we'll keep doing it as long as you guys keep watching. But all right, we're back to the goats, so I think we're going to call it a day of recording, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.